Knowledge Nexus.
Did you know the internet is older than many of us? It's true. This technological marvel has transformed the way we live, work, and connect. Welcome to our comprehensive guide, where we'll embark on a journey through the intricate web of the internet and networking. This video will unravel its fascinating history, fundamental workings, and essential security aspects, providing you a deeper understanding of this pervasive technology. We'll delve into the evolution from ARPANET, the military's research network, to the robust infrastructure of today. Along the way, we'll explore how domain names are translated into IP addresses and how routers navigate complex data pathways. Our narrative, designed for students, tech enthusiasts, and anyone curious about this digital frontier, will demystify the internet and equip you with knowledge to safely navigate today's interconnected landscape. Sit back and let's embark on this educational journey, starting from the internet's inception. Next, we'll trace its remarkable birth as a groundbreaking research initiative. In the not-so-distant past, the internet was merely a concept within military innovation. It all began with ARPANET, a groundbreaking experiment by the US Department of Defense aimed at secure communication during the Cold War. ARPANET wasn't just another network. It was the first to connect computers over diverse locations, forming the early stages of today's vast internet landscape. This endeavor served as a critical precursor, paving the way for the interconnected digital world we now traverse. ARPANET's significance was its pioneering role as a military research network, proving disparate computer systems could communicate. This initial spark laid the foundation for a revolution, setting the stage for protocols embedding connectivity into our daily lives. Let's delve into the developments that followed, giving rise to TCP/IP and an era of limitless digital potential. Join us as we journey back to those early days, where a select few dared to imagine a network weaving our world together in unimaginable ways. Imagine a world without the internet. It's almost unfathomable now. The internet's growth owes much to a foundational suite of protocols known as TCP/IP. Developed in the late 1970s and adopted through the 1980s, TCP/IP became the backbone of the modern internet. Initially conceived for academic and military use, these protocols revolutionized connectivity. They allowed computers worldwide to communicate seamlessly, fostering the explosive development of the global network we rely on today. Without TCP/IP, your favorite websites, emails, or social media wouldn't exist as they do. These protocols tackled challenges like efficient data transfer and error management, linking diverse networks into one web of connectivity. Adopting TCP/IP marked a pivotal shift in global operations, transcending geographical barriers and connecting millions. Understanding TCP/IP's impact is like turning on a light for the first time, illuminating endless possibilities. Next, as we explore further, we'll enhance our appreciation of its current capabilities by understanding its foundational structure. Let's delve into the foundation that makes our digital world possible: networks. These systems connect devices, enabling communication and resource sharing. Picture them as intricate webs linking your computer to the vast sea of information we know as the internet. There are various types of networks, suited for different needs. Local area networks, LANs, operate within limited areas like homes, schools, or offices, providing fast communication across short distances. WANs, or wide area networks, stretch across larger zones, often connecting multiple LANs, facilitating long-distance data travel across cities, countries, and continents. Understanding these networking basics is crucial as they form the building blocks of the complex internet structures. Next, we'll explore the vital components powering networks, like routers and switches directing our digital traffic. Join us as we journey deeper into the technology keeping us connected. In the digital world, seamless connectivity relies on routers, switches, and modems, essential components of any network. Routers direct data from one network to another, like traffic managers, ensuring information reaches its right destination despite complexity. Switches, meanwhile, are unsung heroes within local networks. They expertly direct data among devices, maximizing speed and performance by creating dedicated pathways. Modems serve as the vital link between home or office networks and the expansive internet, translating digital data into signals capable of traveling across various mediums. Together, these components create a symphony of connectivity, empowering us with instant information access. As we delve deeper into how the internet functions, we'll explore the intricate pathways data travels, guided by routers through the global network. Imagine the internet as a vast city, bustling with activity. Here, DNS, the domain name system, acts as its indispensable phone book. Like looking up names to find phone numbers, DNS translates human-friendly domain names into machine-readable IP addresses, enabling swift website access. Picture DNS servers as librarians worldwide. When you type a web address, these librarians direct your request to the correct server, ensuring you reach your desired destination. Without DNS, navigating the internet would be as daunting as traversing a city without street signs. By demystifying DNS, we see its pivotal role in seamless web functionality, making digital interactions as effortless as calling a friend. Next, we'll explore the intricate pathways data travels, revealing how routers carve optimal routes across continents to your screen. Imagine the internet as an expansive highway system with digital traffic controllers, known as routers at each intersection. These routers are the unsung heroes, guiding data packets like a GPS during a road trip. Each data packet takes its unique route, overcoming obstacles and navigating networks to reach its destination. This routing process is the essential backbone of internet navigation. When you send an email or stream a video, routing ensures your data is delivered efficiently, avoiding congestion. Think of it as a well-choreographed dance, with routers communicating and cooperating non-stop. As we delve deeper into the internet's mechanics, it's fascinating to see how these digital navigators bring order to the chaotic web of information. Up next, we'll explore how web browsers transform complex codes into user-friendly web pages. Stay tuned to understand how these applications are key to our daily internet interactions. Web browsing is a vital internet application, serving as a gateway to knowledge and connectivity. Have you wondered how web browsers work? It starts when you type a URL, triggering requests and responses between your browser and web servers worldwide. Browsers act as interpreters, converting coded data from servers into the interactive web pages you see. To do this, they use protocols to retrieve data, ensuring each element loads seamlessly. This intricate data transfer is possible thanks to continuous communication between browsers and servers. Servers store and deliver the massive amounts of information browsers request, creating a dynamic experience that allows easy web browsing. Next, we'll explore another crucial internet application, email, a vital tool for personal and professional communication, shaping our digital connections. Stay with us as we dive deeper into this fascinating digital landscape. In a digital world bustling with opportunity and discovery, staying protected and informed is vital. As we explore internet security, recognize common threats like malware, phishing, and hacking, silent hazards waiting for missteps. But fear not. With the right strategies, safeguarding your online presence is achievable. Start by crafting strong, unique passwords, your first line of defense. They should be intricate yet memorable, like a puzzle only you can solve. Ensure reliable antivirus software is in place to act like a digital guard, examining and blocking potential intruders. Think of it as an invisible barrier, protecting you from unknown dangers. Stay informed about the latest security updates and watch out for suspicious emails or messages. Your skepticism is a crucial tool. With these measures, you'll fortify your data against cyber threats. Remember, online vigilance is as important as locking your door at night. Ready to tackle the digital world? In our next segment, we'll equip you with knowledge to close this journey efficiently. Let's explore this expansive digital universe further. As we conclude our journey through the internet, let's reflect on the incredible landscape we've explored. We've traced the beginnings from ARPANET to the architectural prowess of TCP/IP and examined the pivotal elements forming our networks. We've uncovered the internet's workings, from DNS translation to routing protocols guiding our data. We've navigated the web with browsers, protected against cyber threats, and explored its vast applications. Now, equipped with this knowledge, you're empowered at the digital age's forefront. We invite you to take this understanding further. Dive deeper, ask questions, and never stop learning, because the internet is a dynamic realm of endless possibilities. With each click, you're not just a user, you're a pioneer in a boundless digital frontier. Thank you for joining us on this informative journey. Stay curious, stay connected, and let the internet be your guide.